Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salma Putri. My name is P1337437123121. Now, I will to describe 10 jobs in hospital. The first, pediatricians. Pediatricians is a physician that specializes in children. They go through schooling to learn about illness, injuries, and medical conditions that are common in children and young adults. Many pediatricians operate under their own practice, but they may also work in hospitals and other healthcare facilities. Second, dentists. Dentists diagnose, treat, and prevent problems in a patient's mouth, focusing on the teeth and gums. Dentists are trained to identify prevalent oral conditions so patients can receive treatment as quickly as possible. Many of them perform dental surgeries, and they are all capable of filling cavities and removing teeth in their office. Dentists may hold their own practice, or they may work with other dentists in a joint practice. The third, therapists. Therapists and mental health counselors help patients overcome mental disorders that affect their daily lives. Some therapists choose to specialize in certain conditions, like obsessive-compulsive disorder or childhood depression. With a degree in physiology, therapists are able to analyze the cause of mental instability and suggest ways for a patient to get past their symptoms. Many patients use their therapies as a venue for venting about issues they could not otherwise talk about. The fourth, pharmacist. A pharmacist is a healthcare professional in charge of dispensing prescription medication to patients and medical facilities. Pharmacists must have an extensive knowledge of chemistry and anatomy or physiology to determine if prescriptions will work well for a patient's medical conditions and pre-existing drug uses. They may work in pharmacies, drugstores, and in hospital drug dispensaries. The fifth, dietitian. Dietitian or nutritionist is a person who helps patients create specialist dietary plans. This may be in an effort to lose weight or compensate for medical conditions, such as diabetes or lactose intolerance. A dietitian must go to school to learn about how foods affect the human body, learning about the chemical process in the body along the way. Many dietitians find work in fitness and weight loss centers, but they may also work in hospitals and health clinics. The sixth, radiology technologists. Radiology technologists, also called radiology techs, are in charge of administering diagnostic imaging systems such as CRIs and CT scan. Radiology techs work alongside radiologists, but they are not trained to diagnose the result of the imaging examinations performed. These test results are passed along to physicians and surgeons to look over. 7. Clinical laboratory technologies. Clinical laboratory technologies practice to analyze body fluids, tissues, and other samples in a medical office. They might be referred to as medical laboratory science, and they have to work in accordance with several departments in a hospital or clinic. Some clinical test specialists in certain type of tests, but they must still be first in the other exam needed in an office. The eighth is health information technicians. Health information technicians, also known as medical record technicians, are in charge of the records for healthcare facilities. They inspect health information data to make sure it is accurate, accessible, and easy to read. as the medical industry transitions to electronic record keeping. Works in this field must adapt to new software, programs, and technologies. Health information technologies must understand a variety of classification systems used to code and organize patient information. 9. Physiotherapists. Physiotherapists assist patients in rehabilitation of physical problems caused by illness, injury, disability, or aging through treatment. The responsibility of physiotherapists include planning treatment, reviewing recovery, and conducting therapeutic exercise with patients. The 10th, pediatrist. A pediatrist is a doctor who assesses, treats, and helps prevent mental disorders. Pediatrists sometimes work as therapists, but they mostly work with other healthcare providers to diagnose a patient's mental state and stability. And finish, that is the description of 10 jobs in the hospital. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.